Yeah, Buil a Vice production. This one is from Metiqulous. To my mother and every mother out there, I say, I know the pain you feel inside. So mama, please wipe the tears from your eyes. I know one day things will be fine, as long as the sun shine. I know the pain you feel inside. So mama, please wipe the tears from your eyes. I know one day things will be fine, as long as the sun shine. Things are gonna be okay, things are gonna be alright. There is always hope as long as we have life. Mama, don't let the struggle of this world get you down. I'm gonna try my best to wipe away your frown. You're gonna make me hungry, so mama, don't you worry. Cause if me have the loss, you want go get it in a hurry. Things may seem dark or sometimes it blurry. You know me have your back, so mama, don't you worry. Cause I know the pain you feel inside. So mama, please wipe the tears from your eyes. I know one day things will be fine, as long as the sun shine. I know the pain you feel inside. So mama, please wipe the tears from your eyes. I know one day things will be fine, as long as the sun shines. Don't cry mama, wipe your eyes mama. Yeah, we poor but we still have life mama. One day we have to make it out. Cause the Almighty God, we never left him out. Me I gon' try me best, because you tried your best. You spend the last way you have for me, go do the test. Me rather dead right now, more than fi see your stress. So me I go hunt it like a rat when you go market. I know the pain you feel inside. So mama, please wipe the tears from your eyes. I know one day things will be fine, as long as the sun shine. I know the pain you feel inside. So mama, please wipe the tears from your eyes. I know one day things will be fine, as long as the sun shines. Oh yeah, hey, hey. Mama, me said things are gonna get better. Yeah, hey, hey. Mama, me said things are gonna get better. It a go get better, it a go get better. Me said things are gonna get better, better than better, better than better, better than better, better than it was before.